There's unfinished business. I wanted to see whether price would drop towards this sell side, but it's not showing me the willingness to do so. So we had unfinished, so I was looking for these relative equal lows, but we have unfinished business above that high, and there's another 15 minutes high on the same range in price. That's high. So there's unfinished business above those highs. So price needs to move above those highs to engage the liquidity above those highs. This level here, that 0.5 level, denotes the mean threshold of a bullish order block that I had marked, I think on a 5-minute or 15-minute chart. Let me just see. I think it's 15. Yeah, it's this big down close candle here. So you can see the midpoint is aligning with that. So, and if I drop back to a 1 minute, you'll notice it dropped and the bodies respected that. So that's bullish to me. So let me see whether I can get these 15 handles here. I'm annotating that volume imbalance. You can see we dropped to it here. So now I want to see whether we're able to find some support there and move up. The larger draw is up here because this is where we have the volume imbalance on the weekly chart. That's the low, so I want to see whether the price can get there today, but that's not what I'm aiming for now. So, but my interest is bullish this week. So these three down close consecutive candles here, that opening price, it has been breached. So technically now the algorithm should flip to a buy program, and we see predominantly green candles moving up. So if I look up, I'm looking for a small portion of it to be left open. So technically I don't want to see price coming below or piercing that low there. So if it does that, that portion will be left as a breakaway gap to break away from this consolidation. And so can reduce the risk significantly here now on the trade based on that premise. Then now we submit to time and see how it unfolds. We've not seen a close above the order block that's noted there yet. I'd like to see a candlestick closing above it. They're just piercing it with the wicks. I'd like to see a close above it. And then momentum accelerating, moving up. something like that. I'd like to see rocket fuel now moving up. Big green candles. Big green limousines moving uptown. There you go.